in the key of D, how would this chord function? Here's what's written from low to high. And then together you get this sound. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is figure out what the chord actually is. So to do that, figure out the notes. The bass note here is F sharp, and then we've got A, C, and then on top we have an E. To figure out the chord, you need to stack the notes into ascending thirds. With these letter names, we have to label F sharp as the root, A as the third, C as the fifth, and then E as the seventh of the chord. So this is some type of F sharp chord, and we've got the seventh on top, so it's some type of F sharp 7 chord. Now to figure out the quality of the chord, you have to look at the intervals between the notes. F sharp up to A is a minor third, it's 3 half steps. A up to C is also a minor third, it's 3 half steps. Minor third plus minor third, that is the recipe for a diminished chord. So this is an F sharp diminished 7 chord. The circle there is the diminished symbol. And the E on top is the 7th of the chord, but you want to notice that C up to E is a major third, it's not a minor third, so we don't have symmetrical stacked minor thirds the whole time. That would be a fully diminished 7 chord. But here what we have is a half diminished 7 chord, and so you put a line through the circle to indicate half diminished. Now some jazz musicians, you guys are going to say, oh, this is actually, it's a minor 7 chord with flat 5. That also works too, but I'm a classical guy, so I'm going to call it half diminished 7. Now in the key of D, how would this chord function? Well, an F sharp chord in the key of D would be a 3 chord and would be a minor chord. That's not what we have here. We have this half diminished 7 thing. So what this is, this has to be a secondary function chord. Remember, in a major key, the half diminished 7 chord, this occurs on the 7th scale degree. It's the leading tone chord. So this, F sharp, could be the leading tone to what note? It could be the leading tone to the note G. And what scale degree is the note G in the key of D? That's your 4th scale degree. So what this could be a leading tone chord, half diminished 7 chord, 2, 4. Okay? So this is 7 of 4. It's a secondary function chord. Hope that makes sense. I'll see you next time.